Good evening, folks. Welcome to Dave Wild Camping's Cooking. Today I'm in Farmington, just border of Colorado and New Mexico, and this is the BML. We found out this place is amazing. If you look at it, they're like a resort over here. It's so beautiful. They have everything, and it's a brand new here too. I think it's like 2019. They remodeled the whole thing, and the campgrounds is right here. It's called Brown Spring Campground. You can see it, and I highly recommend it, and I love this place so far. Okay, today we're gonna making a spaghettini alla carbonara. So basic, what we have here is a very simple dish. We have Parmigiana cheese. We have pancetta, which is bacon, onions. I've cooked dry spaghettini, and then the fresh eggs. When I was in Masa Verde, and this farm have beautiful eggs onto it. So let's cook with it. Very simple. Okay. Start with the bacon. Over here. It's kind of windy too today. Here you go. Alright, while we're doing that, so I'm gonna get a bowl. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have the egg. Just the egg yolk. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Then I put some black pepper. Sea salt. You don't want to put too salty because, and then Parmigiana cheese. Very simple. Okay, now we're gonna cook pancetta first. Until they are nice, crispy now. So you have see I'm using the boiling water. So this is going to warm up my pasta. Like this is faster than this. So. Well, this is an amazing town. So we've been driving around and looking. It's a pretty big town, and it's amazing they have two Walmarts over here and a Sam Club. And on top of the hill, there are nice homes up there too. And they have a small lake too. It's a man-made lake, and you can camp down there too. All right, now you see the bacon, pancetta. Cooking into it. Get all the nice and the smell of the bacon pancetta is unbelievable. Alright. As you see, it started getting brown. A little bit crispy. Then you put the onions. Okay. And then you just spread it out. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, while you are sweating up, I'm going to put this spaghettini inside the water. It's been cooked already. All I do is just to warm it up. floater. Here you go. Very simple dish. Now, you make sure the spaghetti is completely really hot because you want to just cook the eggs. Okay, now here you go. The spaghetti here. Very simple dish. Okay, mix it up. Okay, it's a little too dry. Just put a little bit of pasta water, not too much. So you have the cream sauce. Remember, I know most American things about spaghetti carbonara, they put cream. Never do that. If you do that, mama will chase you with a broom. Okay? Che bella pasta. And here we come. Carbonara. Trick. Another one. The egg yolk again. Beautiful. And here you go. Spaghettini alla carbonara. Simple dish, incredible. And then you also kind of ooze it out. And you mix it up. I'm gonna taste it. I can look, it's so good, delicious. Look at it. It's so good. So this is the pasta. If you like this video, please subscribe and continue to watch me. Give me the thumbs up. All right, everybody. Ciao. Time for dinner. I'm getting hungry. Ciao, ciao.